Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Septic 101 here, and we have the bonfire lit. I told you guys we'd be making a video about this. So here's the bonfire over here.
Banana!
It's actually vlogging.
No, he probably thought Lucas.
Isn't that sick, man? Look at that. Man, that was savage. We're lighting off fucking fireworks and everything here. Sup, Septic 101?
Yeah!
I was just showing the guys the bonfire. Guys,
What do you think, guys?
leave a comment down below what you think. What do you think of the bonfire, Jason?
I think it's good. But it's more like 10 foot tall.
All of our good work for this, guys. It's gone now. Remember walking through the field this morning? So here's a little story. I was walking through the field with Pierre trying to get tires, and I just couldn't bring the tires. I gave up on the tires and I just went home. I got someone else to help. Dennis came. He's one of the guys we know. He helped us with it. Jesus, man, this is savage.
James, come here to me.
Yeah, perfect. Is that perfect?
A little bit more distant.
Yeah. Perfect, yeah?
Yeah. Guys, it's gone down, you know?
It's gone down.
Thank you!
It's gone down, okay?
Thank you!
It's gone down a bit, guys. It was absolutely massive.
Thank you
I
for the
swear to you
Fanta.
guys, it was massive.
You
It was
ain't gonna
ginormous.
get me with the Fanta!
Let's go get a
I can even see you through this.
let's go get a close shot for you guys.
Well, we don't get down there too close now because the joke's popping in it.
Yeah, right. Look at this, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is savage. This is sick, man. Look at this fire. Poor Tiger team. Yeah, we're doing a vlog.
This is a motherfucking vlog.
Let's see.
Oh, I have one.
Fuck off. Boy, you're sending on a fucking packet of crisps.
I'm gonna give out your address, okay?
No, you're not.
I am.
You don't even fucking know where I live. Go on, where do I live?
Right, he lives in Brantford in Athy in Ireland.
I live in Brentwood in Athy in Ireland, yeah?
Yeah, right. He lives in Europe,
On top.
in the world, in the universe, in the Milky Way.
Fucking brilliant directing. I don't, and first of all, I don't even live in Brentwood. I live over there in that house with the black Jeep.
Okay, he lives in Cornard. Give me the tablet.
Fuck off. I live in Cornard in Athy, yeah? Fuck. Come rape my family.
Yeah, I dare you to do that. And then you just throw the tablet in.
Bye. Woo!
Goodbye.
See you guys.
Imagine it slipped out of your hand when you were doing
Otherwise, I'd fucking kill myself.
No, it would actually explode the battery.
Fuck off! I'm going down here.
Fuck's sake, 10 subscribers.
Yeah, lads, this is savage. This is fucking sick. Yeah! What's dangerous? We'll have it on vlog. Yeah, that's my bike. Yup, yeah. Look at this.
Cool.
What are you doing? You finished. James, you finished our
Look at this, guys. Fuck. No.
Katie. No.
Say hi, YouTube. Hey. Boys, this is savage. You got it. Hashtag in the chat. That's how well we did. Now we've been working on this for a long time. I want to tell you guys, we have jumped in people's skips.
Here, see this lollipop?
Yeah.
Turn the camera around.
Why?
Because I'm going to throw this in the bonfire. How will you stay burning?
Whatever.
Sham, what the fuck is that?
It looks all red on camera, but in real life it's all orange. It's all orange in real life. Look on camera, look how red it looks. Go around here and look. Oh, fuck. It looks all red, doesn't it? Look at Pierre! I can just see Pierre there. Sup, Pierre? Up yours. Shut up.
Look at me! Guys! Look! My shoulders are all the way back.
Pierre, look in the camera. Look at the camera.
Did you finger out or?
Oh, wait.
Are you actually vlogging you or you should?
Shut up.
Man, this guy doesn't have a lot.
Nah,
That's how you do.
nah, it's cool.
Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
Look at this
dude.
Why are you vlogging? Your camera is shy.
Shut up. It's an iPad. It's a tablet camera, okay?
Oh shit, Jesus, I thought it was fucking best camera in the world. What are you doing? Selfie cam.
No.
What is wrong with you? Oh, he's vlogging. I swear that looks like a shit on my face. Cue that.
Oh, that's a vlog.
Let him vlog. Yeah, show them the fucking bonfire.
Yeah,
I'm going down to
No, I'm not going down to John. Let's see, you kick him and he goes in and look down there.
Oh, lads, who the fuck is that?
Doesn't matter. I'll get back up.
He's actually vlogging, but he's not saying anything.
So,
Boring vlogging the whole time.
No, that's all.
and two people. Nice. I never did it. What do you mean you never did it?
Oh, he didn't see.
What did you never do? You just pulled up that middle finger on top of your head and said,
I get paid.
Bonfire. What's in the sleeve? This is in the sleeve.
stop. What? No, I'm staying here.
Robbie, what time is it?
I can't check, I don't know. Say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. He fucking falls trying to do the dab.
What's the name of your chat?
It's on the fucking hill. Septic 101. Septic _101. Woo! Oh, boys, look at the lantern up there. That's a lantern. If you guys can see that little orange thing in the sky, that's a lantern. No shit, Sherlock. There's a fucking lantern in the sky.
Over there. How many times?
What? Ah, no, it'll be like half an hour. It'll be like an hour. It'll be like an hour. Yeah? Right. Oh, Jesus, boys, nearly 6.
Oh, jeez! You fell into that, you mean?
I'd be a toast excepting 101.
I need up with my friends. Boys, maybe someone he doesn't like.
Look how cool that looks.
Oh! Up yours. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. No, can you wheel it home? Leah, cycle it home. Oh, who turned off the music, lads? Who turned off the music? No.
It'll come back in a minute.
Here, can I go on a song?
I'm not going down there. I'm scared.
Like that tattoo on your shoulder.
Scared shit.
Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress and you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never get it older. Woo!
No.
Here.
Oh yes! Yes! Heden's love. Oh! Here. Ah, you fucker. Fuck you. Go up here, Dad.
I hope you fall in here.
Yay! What are you kidding? What do you do? What? What?
Here to run up.
Look at this dude.
Can you look at what, like the left side of the side?
Oh! Yeah.
The whole left it?
Yeah, just hold it.
Just hold it, you hop up. Alright.
Thank you. Look at Ollie dabbing down at the bonfire.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna push it. Ollie's dabbing down the bonfire. Ollie, keep doing them dabs.
You know I can do that.
Do that.
I would probably guess someone.
Keep going.
Oh.
Ah, you poked me in the eye.
It's dabs.
She can do more dabs than me without falling.